Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how do I connect my Webflow website to Google Analytics. Now, Google Analytics is a very good platform to have it connected with your own website, since literally with it you could view the analytics of your site. As basic as that, you can view the traffic, the daily traffic, which page is the most interacted, how much time does your visitors spend on your site, which are organic visitors, referral, or basically affiliate. You can view all of that simply through Google Analytics, and the Google Analytics later on could be used as evidence of your work, and basically you can add it in your portfolio. So how do I connect it? So you can add Google Analytics to your site to gain valuable information about user behavior, etc. Now to add it, you can use the Google Site Tools for Webflow app to connect Google Analytics, Tag Manager, and Search Console to your site, and view common site metrics inside the designer. Now, this is how you can install it. So you will need first to go to your Webflow app page. So for that, you will need to go to the app page, not any place, and then click on Add Site, choose the site to which you want to add Google Analytics integration. So you can click here, or basically this will take you directly. Then sign in into your Google account to authenticate it. And then once you've done that, click on Start, confirm your domains for Search Console, then click on Next. Choose your Tag Manager account and container, then click on Next. Choose your Google Analytics account and property, and then click on Add to Site. Click back to Webflow to return to your workspace and publish your site to complete the app setup. Once you have connected Google services to your Webflow site, you can view site metrics by going to the Apps panel and launching Google Site Tools for Webflow. To open more detailed analytics view in Google, click on Google Analytics app, and this will give you all the information needed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.